What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another vlog. I feel like it's been a while since I filmed one, and I also feel like I've been MIA just in general here on YouTube for obvious reasons. The world and 2020 has been a very overwhelming year. It has been a learning experience kind of year. It's been a year full of changes, so I have needed some time to like unwind, unplug, and that's the reason why I haven't been vlogging or filming, but I am back. I asked you guys on Instagram what you wanted to see on my channel, and many of you said vlogs, so I decided to film a vlog today, and I am going to be showing you what I'm going to be doing. If you're wondering about this beautiful peachy nude backdrop, I was filming a video, so that's why I have like perfect lighting right now. Let me show you my setup real quick. By the way, the apartment is a hot mess, so most of it is going to be cleaning. So here is my quick little setup. This is actually pretty genius. I was filming a sponsored video and they sent over this backdrop and it fits perfectly on the rod. So that's what it looks like. I have my camera here. So let's get to it and clean. I also have a mess on my desk. Eric is outside working out. All right, things are looking pretty good on this side. By the way, I got a new plant right here. I don't know if it's going to last there, to be honest, because it doesn't get as much light as it should. And then I also picked up the couch. I don't think I've shared, but we opened the couch like a daybed situation during quarantine, and I'm obsessed with it now. Like, we have more leg room. I can also put my legs up whenever Eric is sitting here or I sit here, vice versa. Yeah, I think it's great. This IKEA light is honestly amazing. Let me see if I can change it. You see that? I feel like it's really hard to tell with this camera, but right now it's pink. Then we have this purple, a blue. I'm obsessed with this one at night. And then this is the regular yellow light, but I prefer the white light for me. So yeah, moving on to another mess in the apartment. Yeah, I opened a bunch of boxes and I basically just threw it all here. So now I have to put things away. Sorry for the bra situation, but this thing, you guys, is worth every single penny. I tried it today. Let me go get it. So I tried it today for the first time, and oh my god. I'm going to try to film a video on how I style it and how I use it in my thoughts for IGTV, but overall, just go get it. It's worth every single penny. All right, so since I'm posting a clean with me video, or I probably already did, let's just do some magic on this mess. And voila. It's not as like perfect as it could be, but it is what it is. Oh my god, now that I see it in the reflection, I got a little easel, or like an art stand situation, for whenever I paint, and I'm obsessed with it. Maybe we can paint later? I don't know. I need to get like inspired to paint. What I have to do next is grocery shop, because there's nothing here. I don't know if I should do that first or move on to cleaning the kitchen a bit before I go do that. We have like all the face masks right before we head out the door. But yeah, this is the current situation in the kitchen. I'm going to be putting away all the dishes from yesterday, and let's just situate this situation. So, quick little update. Joanne C decided to FaceTime me, and we're now, Joe, say hi real quick. Yep, this girl FaceTimed me in the middle of me cleaning, so we're now we are going to play our current obsession, which I wanted to mention to you guys because literally it has been taking over our lives.
Like, she blames me for everything. Everything, whenever she procrastinates, she blames it on me.
This is the game, Parcheesi Star. You guys have to download it, but fair warning, it's addicting, okay? Fair warning.
Do it. You want to sleep at night, don't do it.
Team up?
Of course.
10K?
Of course. Oh my god, I don't know if I wanted to 10K.
Let's just do it. Let's just do it.
It's always your rich friends that want you to be doing rich things when you're still broke.
Oh my god. Why aren't you in it? Yo no te veo.
I am in it.
Alright, so just finished the game, but all jokes aside, if you're looking for a new game to play, Parcheesi is the one. Like, it's so much fun, and you can also play with friends, which I love. By the way, since I'm in the midst of cleaning and putting these beers that I got, these are beer and tequila drinks that I recently got in a PR package, I wanted to show you guys my new little gadget situation. I finally decided to get an air fryer because I've heard so many great things. My friends all have it and they're obsessed with it. I also love frying a lot of things, and I figured this would be a healthier way to eat it. So yesterday I showed you guys on Instagram how I made my empanadas here. The best thing ever. Like, so bomb. I'm obsessed. I also made chicken. The chicken did come out a little bit dry, but it was a thinner like chicken cutlet, so maybe that's why, and I'll figure out different ways to also make it. However, long story short, on this little guy, totally worth the money if you love frying things and if you just use your oven often. This is so quick and easy. I also made eggs this morning here, boiled eggs, and it was really good. So I have to go grocery shopping, and I am now going to be making my to-buy list. So far in the list I have bananas, fruits, veggies, plátanos, pastelitos, pollo, mayo, juice, raisins. I want to try these pickles because I saw Jaclyn Hill mention them, and I've never been the type to like pickles, but now that she mentioned it and she didn't like pickles, I'm like, maybe I can learn to like it. So I have pickles in my list now. My neck has been hurting so much today. I have to do yoga sometime in the day today. I know it probably sounds like nothing, but I'll remember a lot more once I get there, so. And we are ready to go. Reusable bags, always, and my little abuelita cart. I'm obsessed with this thing. It just makes things so much easier. And of course, how could I forget the most important thing? La mask. Oh god, my eye. I feel like this is everyone's dilemma when going out. It's like forgetting your mask and running back. But we got her on. And just like that, we are back. I put my hair out because it was so humid outside. But here are the groceries. Just $96 in there. I'm going to take a little break though because, like I mentioned, my neck really hurts, and I'll put the groceries in the fridge in a little bit, but I'm gonna have a mango because it's mango season. Hands down, best mangoes come from DR or Haiti. Best mangoes, hands down. If you haven't tried it, you really, like, you have to. It's life-changing. All right, so I wanted to quickly show you guys what I got before I put things away. Starting with the chicken, I just got 3 different types. I got some pastelitos, or the dough for the pastelitos, because I'm hoping to show you guys how I make my chicken ones. This is my favorite brand that I personally like, but I know there's a bunch. Got some 5-minute fries because I'm excited to try it with the air fryer. I also saw this, and I've been wanting to make my own, but I figured I'll just, you know, eat the frozen ones first. But yeah, that's what it looks like. I just saw Camila Coelho's YouTube video on it, so I'm excited to try it out. I also got some chocolate chip cookies or dough. A bunch of fruits, as you can see, but you guys already know. It's mango season. I had to get more, so I got 4. Some Dominican crackers, mayo, lemonade, watermelon juice. These are plátano maduros. I like to make these asado. Some regular bananas, cucumber, salami. I have a long time. I don't eat this, but I also heard it's good to eat in, or make in the air fryer. Grapes, orange, apples, little cherry tomatoes, cilantro, and this is what I'm most excited about. I haven't seen this in a long time. These are lychee. Lychee martinis are bomb.com, by the way. But yeah, I'm going to quickly clean the fridge and then put this in there. Hello. Yes, I indeed forgot to continue vlogging. Today's a different day, but I wanted to show you guys something exciting that I finally found. If you remember at the beginning of quarantine, I made this amazing puzzle. I don't even know if you could see this amazing The New Yorker puzzle, and I wanted to frame it and put it around the apartment. And then I thought about like actually saving it for forever, hopefully, just so it could be like a memory of this pandemic and crazy moment in our lives, because I'm pretty sure this will be down for the books and just something for history. Long story short, I showed you this in one of the vlogs and I actually glued it, as you can see. So it's glued, and now I have found the perfect size frame. Let me see if I can show you. This is what it looks like with the frame. However, there's space right there and then right above, and I already know that's going to stress me out, but hopefully I make it work. And yeah, that's what it looks like. It's from Michael's, and these are the measurements if you're wondering. Other random things that I've gotten this week from Amazon, because you guys already know my obsession with Amazon. I went ahead and got some books. These are coffee table books. However, I feel like they're used, especially this one and this one. I don't know, like they have some sort of stains, and that's really bothering me. But this one was really pretty, and it has like New York City stuff in it. And then I am obsessed with this one because of how it looks without the cover. But yeah, I've been collecting some coffee table books so I can use them whenever I move again. I also wanted to show you, I don't know if I mentioned it already, but I have been crocheting recently. I started making this top right here, so that's what it looks like. And I ended up getting better yarn because this one is, I think, acrylic. Not acrylic, I don't know how to call this, but it's more winter material. And I ended up getting some cotton material, which is a lot more expensive, but it's still better. I got this color, 2 white ones, brown ones, and this beautiful blue one. But yeah, call me a grandma. All right, so that is pretty much it for today's vlog. I am going to try my best to vlog more often, maybe make a paint with me video or cook with me videos. I do want to make more Nata Chef videos. So leave me in the comments below the kind of vlogs or videos that you would like to see more on my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to check out the description for all the links that I mentioned, the books and air fryer and stuff like that. Anyways, thank you so much, and see you next time. Bye.